welcome to you viewers. You're watching ERi-TV. I'm Barsabet Takhla, beginning this broadcast with the major headlines for today. Assessment meeting by the National Union of Eritrean Women. Awards handed out to outstanding students in Asmara. Nearly 900,000 people affected by flooding in South Sudan. And 6 soldiers and 8 rebels killed in northwest Pakistan. On your local reports, members of the National Union of Eritrean Women from various ministries and the Ma'akhal Region Branch Office held an assessment meeting on 4 October. Ms. Salome Gebrselassie, Head of Organizational Affairs for the Union Ma'akhal Region Branch, emphasized during the meeting that such assessment elevate the quality of work and foster collaboration for success. Reports were presented during the meeting, followed by discussions on the challenges faced. Participants shared valuable insights and expressed their commitment to implementing the programs that had been charted out. In other news, Sam'atat and Sembel High Schools in Asmara have awarded outstanding students for their exceptional performance in the 2022-2023 National School Living Examination. The awardees from Sam'atat High School include students who scored between 3.0 and 4.0 GPA and are members of the 36th round of national service. Mr. Burhana Waldu, director of the school, stated that out of the 519 students who sat for the National School Living Examination, 60.7% achieved passing marks for degree and diploma programs. Mr. Haile Melles, administrator of Gejeret Subzone, and Mr. Abrahalle Arafaine, head of the Southeast Education Office, encouraged the outstanding students to work diligently during their college education and strive to become competitive students. Similarly, 101 students from Sembel High School, who also scored between 3.0 and 4.0 GPA, were recognized with awards. Mr. Warada Burhan Aineta, director of Sembel High School, mentioned that out of the 228 students who took the National School Living Examination, 138 earned passing marks for degree programs and 44 for diploma programs. Mr. Hagos Kidana, head of Southeast Education Office, emphasized that encouraging and recognizing outstanding students is a moral responsibility of schools and urged the awardees to continue striving for excellence in their education. Dear viewers, do stay tuned for international reports and more after the short break. Welcome back. The United Nations Office for the Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs said on Friday that it has scaled up the response to the devastating flooding which has affected more than 890,000 people in South Sudan. The UN Relief Agency said in an update released in Juba, the capital of South Sudan, that the floods have so far displaced about 226,000 people in 42 counties and Abyei. According to the update, the latest increase is attributed to newly confirmed numbers of affected people in the Abyei administrative area, Western Bahr el Ghazal and Lakes states. South Sudan faces unprecedented flooding, with forecasters predicting above-average rainfall, reverse flow from Uganda, and potentially record-breaking floods. On today's final report, 6 Pakistani soldiers and at least 8 rebels have been killed in 2 clashes in the Restrive Northwest, the military says. The military's media wing said on Saturday that Lieutenant Colonel Mohammed Ali Shaukat was among the 6 soldiers killed in the overnight fighting, along with 6 rebels. According to Inter-Services Public Relations, the security forces of Pakistan are determined to wipe out the menses of terrorism, and such sacrifices of their brave soldiers further strengthen their resolve. The army said in a separate operation it killed 2 rebels in Swat, another district in Pakistan. One of them was said to have been involved in an attack on a convoy of foreign ambassadors in the area this month. You're still watching us on ERi-TV, dear viewers, and now recap of the major headlines. Assessment meeting by the National Union of Eritrean Women. Awards handed out to 12 outstanding students in Asmara. Nearly 900,000 people affected by flooding in South Sudan. And 6 soldiers and 8 rebels killed in northwest Pakistan. That was it for today, dear viewers. Thanks for watching.